my dear followers, in this video, I prepared a compilation of the videos I liked saying, if you have a chance to Istanbul, and if you come here, I prepared a video that can help you with which places you can choose. I hope you leave a lot of likes on this video. First food, about Iskender Kebab. There are many places in Istanbul where we can eat dinner with sauce. However, when it comes to Iskender Kebap, our eyes are always on the sign. This Iskender Kebab restaurant continues this dish as a family tradition. The menu is concise, as they sell on a single product. It is a tradition for many customers to order dinner kebab with pita with plenty of kebab meat, and to serve an aubergine salad on the side. A restaurant that you can choose second, and our traditional food, which you know as Turkish pizza, stands out with lahmacun, pide, with minced meat or cheese or sujuk. With its 3 branches in Kebab Koy, Borsam. Headed by a family from Anl1 Urfa, serves lahmacun and pita to thousands of people every day. Their secret is their paternal recipes and the stone ovens they have used for many years. The most common thing to do in the place is to put the onion with parsley and sumac ready on the table in a crispy lahmacun and make a wrap. I hope you will have a chance to taste this flavor in Istanbul. Iskender Kebap is a kebab restaurant with 8 to 9 tables, where you can watch all the preparation stages of salads, lahmacuns and kebabs prepared in its open kitchen. The kebab restaurant, which has been serving in the back streets of Semberlita since 1975, is one of the rare kebab restaurants in the city that prepares its kebab using a large kebab knife. One of our recommendations for Iskender Kebab with vegetables. Guef is a Circassian name that is usually given to daughters and means the conqueror of hearts. Guef MANT1 house serves 5 different types of MANT1 Turkish kind of ravioli, which started up by an immigrant Circassian family, came from Kayseri to Istanbul in 1976. Kayseri MANT1, Tray MANT1, Sihaliv, Circassian ravioli with potatoes, Halaj, Circassian ravioli with cheese, and crunchy MANT1. In Guef, definitely one of the best places that you can have tray ravioli. There is also handmade kefir, a fermented milk drink from the Caucasus and Eastern Europe. They took kefir very seriously because that they are a Caucasian immigrant family. Kale, which started its business in 1982, was making filled pastries, savory buns and bagels to school cafeterias. There is no unnecessary crowd in the breakfast of that place, which starts early in the morning. In Kale Cafe's mixed Turkish breakfast, there are limitless tea, tomato cucumber duo, olives, honey-clouded cream, tahini molasses and fried helm cheese. We don't need to remind that the view is better at the upper floors. Traditional Turkish breakfast is very diverse. Turks drink tea, not coffee, for breakfast. Turks also eat some vegetables such as tomatoes and cucumbers for breakfast. In Turkey, olive is eaten at breakfast. Bagels, cheese and tea are the Turkish favorite things for breakfast. Tantuni, a delicacy originating from Mersin, is mostly the center of discussion as its fanatics indicate that you should try it in Mersin. However, it spreads like wildfire to all around Turkey. Tantuni is a dish that is pre-boiled tiny chopped meat, then cooked in saktava with pepper flakes and cotton oil, and drizzled with water as it is cooked in the saktava. During this drizzling phase, the heat control is maintained, and the steam is used to humidify the bread pita. The tantuni will be placed wrapped. When the meat is cooked, it is wrapped to very thin bread with sumac and onions, parsley, tomatoes and preferably spices. Traditionally, lemon juice is added to the mix for greater taste. You should not forget the place of lamb head kebab in Turkish cuisine. Do not be fooled by its appearance. This sandwich is really healthy and delicious. Learning the business from his granddad and his father, Muammar Kamak took over, and he has been doing it for 40 years in his mobile store. Chef Muammar prepares sheep's head on his small counter, blends with onion and parsley, and adds flavor with salt and cumin. While they prepare sheep's head inside thin bread, like a wrap, in Zirozmer, the experienced chef served it as sandwicher on plate. Chef Muammar is located on San Street in Istanbul. It was opened in 1952, when Turkey became a member of NATO, and the name comes from there, and the restaurant is not only serving to Karakoy shopkeepers, but also is like the memory of that region. Hasan C. Sadullah AK1R, nicknamed Bald Hasan, has been working here since 1968. He jokes that he dispatched 16 to 17 owners. Master Mehmet, responsible from dinner which comes to end in the afternoon, has been working here for 35 years. Even thought Karakoy's shopkeeper population is decreasing, domestic foreign tourist population is increasing, and NATO LOKANTAS1 saves its tempo. You know, apart from my own recipes, I share other people's recipes with you. I would like you to know that I have prepared such videos with great care for you. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video. Goodbye.